So welcome to the Sakala Vidya YouTube channel. Okay. So generally every day I used to get the good suggestions and feedback from the different viewers. So far actually I received 25. Among them I will read out their names also. Mahindra, Suma, Balu, Rajesh, Vaibhav, Prasanna Hani, Swati Singh, Divya, Mahesh, Mohan Rao, Ramachandram, Karthik, Teju, Bhavani, Avinash, Shyam, Venkatramohan Rao, Sai Deepak, Narendra, Sridevi, Srikant and Vamshi Krishna Yadav, Shankar Narayana, Dishwak. These only. And sometimes even Pramila also, Tipavajjila Pramila, they have given useful suggestions to us to improve our channel. So thank you. So I need this sort of encouragement from you so that we do the more videos in future also. Okay. Kotur Pushpa also given. Narendra also. Yes, Nani Narendra. Right, Narendra. Avinash also. Avinash also. They are regular. Sumant not yet given. Okay. So yesterday we have completed up to part 5 34 questions. Today rest of the questions will be completed. Okay. Right, good morning. So now let us start. Still 5 minutes time is there. Jingala Shamala. Okay, still joining. Okay. Question. 38. Okay. 38. Narla. Swati. Fine. Okay. Okay, I will write the question. In the meantime, they will join. The y-intercept of the circle x square plus y square plus 4x plus 8y minus 5 equals to 0 is first option 2 times root 21, second option 2 times root 19, third option 6, fourth option is 12. That means the y-intercept of the circle, the intercept made by the circle on y-axis we need to find out. On y-axis, the y-intercept of the circle x square plus y square plus 4x plus 8y minus 5 is equal to 0. So that we need to find out. That means first of all, solution here 2g equals to 4, comparing 2f equals to 8 and c equals to minus 5. G equals to 2, f is equal to 4. Length of the y-intercept. Length of the y-intercept equals to 2 root of f square minus c. This is the formula. So this equals to 2 root of f square is 4 square. Next minus of minus 5. This will be 2 times root of 16 plus 5. This equals to 2 times root of 21. That means first option is the right option. F square minus BC is for that is for pair of straight lines in Arla. Yes, option 1 is the right option. Thirty-nine. The intercept made by the circle with center 2, 3 and radius 6 on y-axis is first option 18 times root 2, second option 12 times root 2, third option 8 times root 2, fourth option is 6 times root 2. Right. The intercept made by the circle whose center is at 2, 3 having radius 6 on y-axis. That means first find out equation of the circle first. So that means center form we need to find out. X minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 6 square. So this can be simplified like this: x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y. This is plus 13 minus 36 equals to 0. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 23 equals to 0. Here 2g equals to minus 4, 2f equals to minus 6, c equals to minus 23. Now length of the y-intercept. Length of the y-intercept is given by the formula 2 root of f square minus c. 2 times root of f square. F square is how much? 3 square. That is minus 3 square minus of minus 23. So that is 2 root of 9 plus 23. 2 root of 32. Okay. 32 is how much? 16 into. So this equals to now 2 times root of 16 into 2. This will be 4 root 2. 2 times 4 root 2, which is equal to 8 root 2. This is a desired answer. So that means third option is the desired one. Okay. Third option. Now question number 40. Question number 40. The center of the circle, passing through origin, and making intercepts, and making intercepts 8 and minus 4 on x and y axis respectively is okay, Vaibhav. First option is 4 comma minus 2. Second option minus 2 comma 4. Third option 8 comma minus 4. Fourth option both 1 and 2. That means first option, second option both are correct. So that means we need to find out the center of the circle passing through origin. This is important point. Keyword origin, and making intercepts 8 and minus 4 x-axis and y-axis respectively is. Center of the circle we need to find out. So that means x-intercept is 8 means it passes through 8 comma 0. Y-intercept is minus 4. It passes through minus 4, 0 comma minus 4. That means we need to find out equation of the circle passing through, we have shortcut also, passing through 0 comma 0 origin, x-intercept is 8 means 8 comma 0, y-intercept is minus 4 means 0 comma minus 4. Is actually we have one formula, x square plus y square minus ax minus by equals to 0. That means this is nothing but equation of the circle passing through the origin a comma 0 and 0 comma b. This is a, this is b. So therefore equation is x square plus y square minus 8x plus 4y equal to 0. So that means here f is equal to, g equals to minus 4, f equals to 2. Therefore center we need, center equals to minus g comma minus f, that is 4 comma minus 2. So instead of doing this lengthy method, very simple. This is half of 8, that means minus half into 8 write down, comma minus half into minus 4 write down. This equals to minus 4 comma 2. That's all. It's a tip. Center directly we can find out. Sometimes you may be asked to find out equation of the circle, then you need to apply this formula. Next, 41. Parametric equations of let us complete all the models first. Parametric equations of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 16 r. Because we have discussed the parametric equations, but we have not completed the problems on parametric equations. Let us solve them. So first option, x is equal to 4 cos theta, y equals to 4 sin theta. Second option, x is equal to 4 cos theta, y equals to 4 tan theta. Third option, x is equal to 4 cos hyperbolic theta, y equals to 4 sin hyperbolic theta. Fourth one, x is equal to 4 times sec theta, y is equal to 4 times tan theta. Yes, option 1 is the right option. So that means parametric equations of x square plus y square is equal to r. Solution here, r square is equal to 16, radius will be 4. Parametric equations are x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. R stands for 4, so 4 cos theta, this will be 4 sin theta. Obviously here option Option 1 is the right option. (42) Okay. The equation of the tangent the equation of the tangent at the point theta is equal to pi by 4 to the circle x square plus y square plus 8x minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0 is the equation of the tangent we need to find out. First option is x plus y plus 2 minus 4 root 2 equals to 0. Second, x minus y plus 2 minus 4 root 2 equals to 0. Third option, x plus y plus 2 plus 4 root 2 equals to 0. Fourth one, x minus y minus 2 minus 4 root 2 equals to 0. 42 question. Yes, correct. That means equation of the tangent at the point theta is equal to pi by 4 to the circle x square plus y square plus 8x minus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. So first let us find out now. Okay, first let us find out the points. Point P equals to P of theta equals to A cos theta, sorry, R cos theta, comma R sin theta. This is wrong actually. Wait now. First center of the circle find out. Center of the circle is minus 4 comma 2. Radius find out. R equals to root of 16 plus 4 minus 4. 4 cancel 4. Now P of theta equals to, that means P of pi by 4 equals to, here P of minus 4 plus 4 times cos pi by 4, comma here 2 plus 4 times sin pi by 4. The point will be, what is the point now? Yes. So now here plus 4 you need to write. Here minus 2. Right. Minus G minus F. So this will be 4 plus cos 45 is 1 by root 2, 4 by root 2, comma this will be minus 2 plus 4 by root 2. This can be written 4 plus 2 into 2, 2 root 2. This will be minus 2 plus 2 root 2. Substitute in the options and verify. Substitute in the options and verify. So let us come to the first option now. First option, x means 4 plus 2 root 2, y means minus 2 plus 2 root 2. This will be plus 2 minus 4 root 2. Okay, so I need to check now once again. Wait, parametric equations. Yes, I did mistake. First I write correct only. This is minus 4 this is plus, this is minus, this is plus, plus, this is minus, so this is minus. Okay, this will be plus, right? So now here 2 root 2, 2 root 2, 4 root 2, 4 root 2 cancel, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 cancel, so 0. The first will be satisfied, so the first one is the right option. The first one is the right option. So P of theta is, that is a very lengthy, so better you can adopt like this verification method, right? Forty-three, the card of contact, the card of contact of 2, 1 with respect to the circle, x square plus y square plus 4x plus 4y plus 1 equals to 0 is card of contact. We need to find out card of contact. The first option is 2x plus y plus 7 equals to 0. Second one is 4x plus 3y plus 7 equals to 0. Third one, 3x plus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Fourth does not exist. This is the question. Okay, maybe postponed. The card of contact of 2, 1 with respect to the circle x square plus y square plus 4x plus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0 is, yes, absolutely correct. The equation of the card of contact is S1 is equal to 0. So S1 means, you know, xx1 means this is x1 comma y1. This point is xx1 means x multiplied by 2, y1, y multiplied by 1 plus 2 times of x coefficient, 2 times of x plus x1 2 plus 2 times y plus 1 plus 1 equals to 0. We need to simplify this one. Let us simplify it. 2x plus y plus 2x plus 4 plus 2y plus 2 plus 1 equals to 0. So now here see 2x plus 2x is 4x, y plus 2y is 3y, 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7 plus 7 equals to 0. 4x plus 3y plus 7 equals to 0. That means second option is the right option. Option 2. Here actually we cannot verify because the P point may be inside or outside. If it is on the circle, then that becomes tangent. Card of contact becomes tangent. That's why verification is not sometimes entertained. Only few times we can apply. Right. Okay, next. Okay. I ask you one question. How many secant lines can be drawn to a circle from an external point? Suppose say this point is P. Suppose P x1 comma y1. How many secant lines can be drawn? Secant lines. All are secant lines. Say this is S is equal to 0. This is S is equal to 0. Okay, infinite. Wonderful. So, for example, this is A1, say B1, say A2, this is B2. So let us consider this is A3, this is B3, A4, this is B4. Suppose this is A5, this is B5. Okay. Now, for example, at the point of intersection of the each secant, let us draw the tangents. So that means let us draw the tangents now. Let us draw the tangents. So you draw the tangent like this at this point. You draw one more tangent like this. So now you draw the tangent for this one also, second point of intersection. So here also you can draw tangents like this. See, so if you draw the tangents at the point extremities of the secants which meet at the point, actually you get here. Okay, now by joining this one you get a line like this. So this line is called polar equation. So this is called polar of P with respect to S is equal to 0. So this is the concept of polar. Concept of polar. This P point is called, see, the P x1 comma y1 is called pole. Is called pole. Now equation of the polar also, equation of the polar of P is S1 is equal to 0. Chord of contact, equation of the tangent. What is the difference between the pole and polar? Pole is the point, polar is the line, equation of the line. So that is the difference between pole and polar. So this is the line which will be in the form of like this: ax plus by plus c equals to 0. A linear equation in line. And one more thing you remember, if P lies inside, the polar does not exist. So sorry, if P is the center of the circle, then polar does not exist. That means polar of center of the circle does not exist. Does not exist. That's all. Okay. Now let us move to the our question part now. Question part. Right. 44. Question number 44. Question number 44. The polar of 2 comma minus 1 with respect to x square plus y square plus 6x plus 4y minus 1 equals to 0 is 5x plus y plus k equals to 0. Then k equals to first option 1, second option 2, third option 3, fourth option 4. Okay, first let us find out the polar of 2 comma minus 1 with respect to the circle. Then we need to compare. That's all. So that means first of all let us write now polar of 2 comma 1 with respect to s is equal to 0 is s1 is equal to 0. So that implies now the equation is what? X into 2 plus y into 1 plus 3 times x plus 2. Am I correct? Plus 2 times y plus 1 minus 1 equals to 0. We need to simplify it. 2x plus y plus 3x plus 6 plus 2y plus 2 minus 1 equals to 0. So now 2x plus 3x, 5x, y plus 2y, sorry, I did mistake here. This is 2 comma minus 1. Minus 1. This is minus 1. This will be minus 2. This will be minus y. Right. Plus y plus 3 equals to 0. But what is given actually here? This is compared to 5x plus y plus k is equal to 0. That means k equals to 3. Therefore, k equals to 3. Third option is the right option. Next. Previous concept, tangent. Not tangent. See this one. Polar equation, that's our. This is a polar equation. Okay, next 45. The pole of 3x plus 5y plus 17 equals to 0 with respect to the circle x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0 is yes, pink lines are tangents. Pink lines are tangents drawn at the extremities of the chord or of the secant extremities. See, here I have drawn like this tangents. So many tangents like this. The point of intersection of all these tangents lie on one line. That is nothing but polar of the circle. The point of intersection of why it is going from inside of the circle, because as P lies the outside, it actually it passes through the inside of the circle. If P is on the circle, it will be on the circle. P is inside, then the polar will be outside. Center of the polar of center of the circle does not define. That's all. Okay. It's correct only. Right. Options note down first of all. Options. First option is -1, 2. Second option is 1, 2. Third option 1, -2. Fourth option 2, 1. Okay. Right. Thank you, Donna. Thank you. Right now, so now the formula write down. Formula, note, pole of this formula I have not given. Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 with respect to the circle s is equal to 0 is minus g plus lr square by lg plus mf minus n comma minus f plus mr square upon lg plus mf minus n. This is the formula. This is the formula to find out pole. Understood now? So that means now we need to find out g comma f here. Radius also we need to find out. See, let us find out here now. See, g equals to 2, f equals to 3, r equal to 4 plus 9 minus 9 root. So 9 cancel, r value will be 2. Radius will be 2. So now here lg plus mf minus n. Understood now? Right, let us write now. So pole equals to minus g minus 2 plus this is L, this is L, this is M, this is N. So L means 3, R square means 4, LG means how much? 3 into 2 plus M, 5 into F means how much? 3 minus 17 comma minus F means minus 3 plus M is 5 into 4 by 3 times 2 plus 5 times 3 minus 17. So you need to simplify this one, then you will get the answer. So let us do it now. This equals to minus 2 plus 12 upon 6 plus 15 minus 17 minus 3 plus 20 upon 6 plus 15 minus 17. This is minus 2 plus 12 upon 4 minus 3 plus 20 upon 4. This equals to minus 2 plus 3 minus 3 plus 4. That is 1 comma 1. Sorry, this is 5. 1 comma 2. Second option is the right option. S1 is short, taking S1 is equal to 0 and compare means it takes very lengthy. It becomes very lengthy. That also same. Right. Forty-sixth. 46th. 46th. If ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is the polar of 1 comma 1 with respect to the circle x square plus y square plus minus 2x plus 2y plus 1 equals to 0, and SCF, highest common factor of a comma b comma c is equal to 1, then a square plus b square plus c square equals to, then a square plus b square plus c square equals to. Okay, first option 0, second option 3, third option 5, fourth option 15. Okay, first let us discuss this question. First of all, we talk about this question. See, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the polar of 1 comma 1 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0, and whose SCF of a comma b comma c equals to 1. That means a, b, c are in actually least form itself only. Understood now? So that means first of all we need to find out polar of 1 comma 1 with respect to circle, say s is equal to 0. Is s1 is equal to 0? Everybody knows. Now this is xx1, x into 1, y1, y into 1, minus of x plus x1 means 1 plus 1 of y plus y1 plus 1 equals to 0. Now this equals to x plus y minus x minus 1 plus y plus 1 plus 1 equals to 0. Here plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Here x gets cancelled. We have 2y plus 1 equals to 0. 2, 1. SCF of 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1 means actually they are what now? Relative primes. SCF is 1 itself only. That means this, let us write this equation as like this. So polar is 0 into x plus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. That means here comparing this 2y plus 1 to this equation, we get a equals to 0, b equals to 2 and c is equal to 1, so that we can find out a square plus b square plus c square value. So that means let us find out a square plus b square plus c square, whose value equals to 0 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. Am I correct? So 0 plus 4 plus 1, so 5. That means desired option is third option. It's absolutely correct. Answer is 5. Right. 47. Question number 47. Question number 47. If 1 comma 1, k comma 2 are conjugate points, with respect to the circle, x square plus y square plus 8x plus 2y plus 3 equals to 0, then k equals to, what is the value of k? First option is minus 12, second option is minus 12 upon 7, third option is minus 12 upon 5, fourth option is minus 4. That means negative 4 we need to say. Right. Just like for all conics, conjugate points condition is S12 is equal to 0 itself only. S12, any conic. It may be circle, it may be parabola, ellipse or hyperbola, same concept. That's why I don't discuss in detail. Directly I will proceed for the problem. 1 comma 1, k comma 2 are conjugate points with respect to this circle. Then we need to find out the value of k. That means solution condition is S12 equals to 0. S12 means x1 x2, 1 into k plus y1 y2, 1 into 2 plus half of 8, 4 times x1 plus x2, 1 plus k, half of 2 is 1, y1 plus y2, 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals to 0. So we need to simplify this one. K plus 2 plus 4 plus 4k plus 3 equals to 0. So now k plus 4k is 5k. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, plus 12 is equal to 0. So that means 5k equals to minus 12. The value of k equals to minus 12 upon 5. That means third option. Okay, now okay, next slide on now. 48. If 3x plus 2y equal to 3 and 2x plus 5y equals to 1 are conjugate lines, conjugate lines with respect to the circle x square plus y square equals to r square. Then r square equals to first option 3 upon 16, second is 16 upon 3, third is 4 upon root 3, fourth option root 3 upon 4. Right, this is the question. So 3x plus 2y equals to 3, 2x plus 5y equals to 1 are conjugate lines, not conjugate points, to the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square. Then r square value we need to find out. So that means actually here write down this note condition. If L1x plus M1y plus N1 equals to 0 and L2x plus M2y plus N2 is equal to 0 are conjugate lines with respect to x square plus y square is equal to r square, then r square of L1 L2 plus M1 M2 equals to N1 N2. This is the condition. Yes. Sohan. Let us substitute the respective values here. Here see, L1 equals to 3, M1 equals to 2, N1 equals to minus 3. L2 equals to 2, M2 equals to 5, N2 equals to minus 1. Let us substitute now. So we have r square times L1 L2. L1 L2 means 6 plus M1 M2 is 10 equal to N1 times N2, 3. 16 r square equals to 3. Therefore, r square equals to 3 upon 16. That means first option is the right option. So you need to check it now. We are asked r square, not r. If it is r, fourth option is correct. R square means first option, obviously. Not option 4, Srilata. Generally we get confusion in the examination also. Right. Forty-nine. Yes, you will be always correct. The length of the cord of contact the length of the cord of the contact of the point 3, 6 with respect to the circle x square plus y square equals to 10 is first option 2 times root 70 upon 3, second option 6 times root 5, third option root 5, fourth option 12 upon root 5. This is the question. No, it will be continued only 9:30 because I have some other task, some other work. So depending upon the situation, evening class will be decided. So you need to wait. Right. Right. The two tangents are drawn from an external point like this. Okay. Say this is A, this is B. See, this point is P. The chord of contact is P 3, 6. To the circle, this is to the circle x square plus y square equals to 10. Now this is the chord of contact. This equation is chord of contact. This equation is chord of contact. So now this length we need to find out. This length we need to find out. Okay. That means first of all, center of the circle find out. This is the center of the circle. Center of the circle is origin. Draw the perpendicular here. Say CM. Join this one. Okay, this is the radius. This is the radius, root 10. This will be 10, root 10. Say this will be D. First we need to find out equation of this blue line, chord of contact. So that means chord of contact of P with respect to circle is xx1 x into 3 plus yy1 y into 6 minus 10 equals to 0. That will be 3x plus 6y minus 10 equals to 0. Now from center d value let us find out. D equals to distance from C to this line, say 1, that is equal to mod C by root of a square plus b square, because distance from origin, mod C means 10 upon This will be 9 plus 36. 10 upon root 45. Root 45 means this will be 3 root 5. 3 root 5. So now what we need to find out? AB. This length we need to find out. Here to here we need to find out. So AB is equal to 2 times root of r square minus d square. That will be 2 root of radius square. Radius square is equal to how much? 10 minus d square, 100 by 45. This will be 2 times 350 by 45. 5 9 ja, 5 70 ja. That means 2 root 70 by 3. This answer. 2 root 70 by 3 is the right answer. Which is the question number? What is the question number? What is the question number? Anybody? Question number. Suma, what is the question number? Sumant, what is the question number? No? Right. Question number, I ask you question number. This is 48. Okay, solution. 48 solution. Right. So that means 49. 49. Question number is 49. Okay. Option 1 is the right option. So thank you. So we shall meet you in the next session. Okay, option 1 is the right, correct one only. Option 1 is right.